Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Telegram reply in stories feature. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open the Telegram application on your device. Once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and click on the status tab on the bottom of your screen. And that is where you're going to see a lot of different people's stories that you can simply go ahead and tap on. Once you simply go ahead and tap on a profile picture with the colored ring, to view their story, you can simply go ahead and click on the reply tab on the bottom of your screen, and this is where you can simply go ahead and click on send, and then your reply is going to be sent just like that. It is as simple as that. If you haven't turned it on for yourself, you can simply go to your channel or group settings or even your story settings and allow replies to turn on, and you can also have quick replies if you want to. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.